The social media monitoring cell of the Odisha police has removed 420 pieces of offensive content related to the general elections 2024. The India Meteorological Department, IMD, has predicted hot and humid weather condition is likely to prevail at one or two places over the districts of Balasore, Bhadrak, Jajpur, Kendrapara, Cuttack, Jagatsinghpur, Puri, Khurda, Nayagarh, Ganjam, and Gajpati during the next 24 hours. In a bid to curb poll-related violence, Ganjam police have asked the owners of hotels, dhabas, betel shops and tea stalls to close their outlets by 8:30 p.m. till 4th June. Senior BJD leader and 5T chairman VK Pandian on Tuesday slammed the BJP for taking the people of Odisha on a ride. He accused the Saffron Party of making false and hollow promises in its manifesto and termed them as Jumla. Eminent San artist Sudarshan Patnaik was rushed to a hospital after complaining breathing problem on Tuesday. Patnaik informed about his health conditions through his X handle. With the threat of severe cyclonic storm, Remal, having no direct impact on Odisha, the regional office of the India Meteorological Department, IMD, in Bhubaneswar has predicted that the day temperatures, maximum temperature, will once again rise across the state from Tuesday. Trenches dug by the Forest Department to prevent the pachyderms from leaving their habitat and intruding into human settlements have proved to be the graves of these big animals. While Cyclone Remal had little direct impact on Odisha, it has destroyed numerous olive ridley mass hatching sites at Nasi too. The Odisha government has appointed Professor Dr. Santosh Kumar Mishra as the Director Medical Education and Training, DMET. He will replace DMET in charge Saroj Kumar Mishra. The twin sisters from Ganjam district not only look identical but seem to possess identical intellect. We are talking about twin sisters Kareena and Karisma Biswal, students of Saraswati Shishu Mandir at Balugon in Ganjam district. Accusing the ruling Mahayuti government of attempting to derail the probe into the Porsche car crash that claimed 2 lives in Pune, the Maharashtra Congress on Tuesday. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said on Tuesday that when the formation of a Modi government at the centre is inevitable, why waste votes by casting them for the Trinamool Congress in West Bengal? Aam Aadmi Party, AAP, leader and Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal on Tuesday appealed to the people of Punjab to give them all 13 seats, asserting that then only the state will reverberate in the Lok Sabha. The Income Tax Department on Tuesday urged taxpayers who have still not linked their PAN with Aadhaar to do so before 31st May deadline or else they will end up paying a higher tax. A Delhi court on Tuesday denied bail to activist and former Jawaharlal Nehru University, JNU, student leader Umar Khalid, in the larger conspiracy case related to the 2020 riots. The Punjab and Haryana High Court on Tuesday acquitted Dera Sacha Sauda's controversial self-styled godman, Gurmeet Ram Rahim Singh, in the Ranjit Singh murder case. Enforcement Directorate, ED, officials have begun raids at the residence of a Kolkata-based travel agency operator in a bank forgery case registered in Bihar's capital Patna. Rajasthan Chief Minister Bhajan Lal Sharma has directed government officials to review the heatwave situation across the state and ensure adequate drinking water and medicines are available for the people. Karnataka Pradesh Congress Committee, KPCC, President and Deputy Chief Minister DK Shivkumar on Tuesday said that around 300 candidates want to contest the Legislative Council elections on the Congress ticket. The mother of the prime accused in the sex video case, Prajwal Revanna, is likely to get clarity on Tuesday regarding the Special Investigation Team's (SIT) plans regarding her arrest. Karnataka Home Minister, Dr. G. Parmeshwar stated on Tuesday that the decision to arrest JD, S, MP and prime accused in the sex video case, Prajwal Revanna, at the airport upon his arrival in India, will be taken by the Special Investigation Team, SIT. Director Rohit Shetty shared a video on Tuesday showcasing his experience of shooting in Kashmir and highlighting the transformation the region has undergone since the abrogation of Article 370. A rare abstract painting created by legendary singer Bob Dylan over 50 years ago recently sold for a huge sum. Bollywood's Gen Z diva Janhavi Kapoor shared details about her viral video dancing to the track Jingat alongside global pop star Rihanna. Former Australia skipper and Delhi Capitals head coach Ricky Ponting hopes wicketkeeper batter Rishabh Pant will make a huge impact in next month's T20 World Cup in the USA and the West Indies. The Indian Premier League, IPL, has significantly influenced the gentleman's game by revolutionizing playing styles, improving the financial stature of players, and heightening the level of fan engagement. Nishant Dev outclassed his Mongolian opponent in just over 2 minutes in the 71 kg second round to reach the pre-quarterfinal stage, while Abhinash Jamwal. Cristiano Ronaldo is one of the most prolific scorers the game has ever seen. The 39-year-old reached new heights after breaking the Saudi Pro League all-time scoring record. Cricket Australia on Tuesday announced the match days and venues of India touring Australia this summer. The 2024 ICC Men's T20 World Cup is all set to bring the heat and a wave of exciting new talent ready to make their mark on the global stage.